Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a dish that I'm very fond of. It's a staple in the Filipino culture. It is chicken adobo. Stay tuned. And for this dish, we're going to need chicken thighs, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 garlic cloves chopped up, pepper, salt, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and some bay leaves. You can have about 3-4 bay leaves, that's fine. So now we're going to add all the ingredients to the Ziploc bag. Add our chicken thighs, our soy sauce, our garlic, our vinegar, our salt, our pepper, and our bay leaves. Now we want to seal this up, take out most of the air, mix it up. Now you want this to marinate at least overnight. Some people say, 30 minutes to an hour. But it really should be overnight. 12 hours if possible for the best scenario. So the chicken thighs are marinated in the refrigerator right now. So I'll see you back in 12 hours. Okay, so it's been 12 hours. Now let's get to cooking the chicken adobo. So now we're gonna add the chicken, our marinated chicken and the sauce to the pan. Nice. And to that, we're going to add 2 cups of water, just 2. Turn the heat on high, and let this come to a boil. Now that it's boiling, we're going to let it boil for 30 minutes. But at the 15-minute mark, we're going to turn the chicken. If we need to add more water at that time, we can do it. Be right back. Okay, now we're going to turn the chicken. It's been 15 minutes. Flip them over. Now we're going to let this go for another 15 minutes. So now it's been cooking for 30 minutes. Now we're going to remove the chicken. Take the chicken out and the bay leaves. So that leaves you with the garlic and the sauce, and we're going to strain that right now. That nice and strained. I'm going to add some more oil to the pot. So we can toast the garlic. Garlic nice and toasted. Let's get the bay leaf out of there. We don't need that right now. So toast the garlic. Now we're going to add the chicken back so we can fry that. Fry the chicken for a couple minutes. Okay, now we want to add the sauce back to it. And once this comes back up to the boil, it is done. And you want to serve this over some rice, and you'll be good to go. Okay, let's see how it tastes. The rice with the sauce. Tangy, smooth, try some of the chicken, tender, okay, oh that's good, and garlicky. Oh, this is very nice. You should really try this recipe if you haven't had it before. Hey, don't even need a knife to cut it. It's that tender. That is good. Oh, that's good. So good. I love the sauce. Some more of this rice with the sauce. Woo! Oh, that was hot. but good. Look at the steam. Some more of this rice. The rice is all covered in the sauce. The sauce is delicious. That is good. It's tangy, but yet you can barely taste the vinegar, if anything. You taste a little soy sauce. This is just nice. You know, just because it's chicken adobo don't mean it has to be all out of control tangy. It just has that subtle tang to it. And that's all you need. Love the sauce. Garlic, tang, savory. It's delectable. And some more of this chicken thighs. That's nice. It's so tender, even when you cut it with the grain, it still falls apart. That's nice. I like that. It is good. You know, sure, I had to wait 12 hours. Toasty garlic. Melts in your mouth. This is good. Look at that. Very nice. Chicken. Oh. Oh, this is so good. Oh. This is delectable. I am good. This is most definitely straw approved. Most definitely. So if you get a chance, definitely try this recipe out, make it for yourself, and enjoy it. Because I know you're gonna enjoy it. Because I'm enjoying it. Definitely. Oh, excuse me. That was good. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, subscribe, like, and share. And definitely come back. You never know what I might put up next. That being said, this is Shah Shara, and I am out.